Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today I'm going to share 210 questions and answers for DP900 Azure Data Fundamentals. If you want to download all these questions and answers, then feel free to visit Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. You can then click on the shop, click the course, enter the amount, pay and download them. If you join the membership, then every course will be 50% off. Now, let's get started with our questions and answers. Question number 1. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is, the Azure Cosmos DB Table API supports multiple read replicas. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is, the Azure Cosmos DB Table API supports multiple write regions. The correct answer is yes. Question number 2. Which among the following statement is true with respect to the Azure SQL database? Select the correct option. Option A, none of the above. Option B, you must apply patches to the Azure SQL databases regularly. Option C, you can use existing Microsoft SQL Server licenses to reduce the cost of Azure SQL database. Option D, you need a Microsoft 365 subscription to create an Azure SQL database. The correct answer is option C. You can use existing Microsoft SQL Server licenses to reduce the cost of Azure SQL database. Question number 3. What is used to access data stored in Azure Storage Account? Option A, SQL Server Data Tools. Option B, Azure Storage Explorer. Option C, Azure Data Studio. Option D, SQL Server Management Studio. The correct answer is option B, Azure Storage Explorer. Question number 4. You need to store data in Azure Blob Storage for 7 years to meet your company's compliance requirement. The retrieval time of the data is unimportant. The solution must minimize storage cost. Which storage tier should you use? Option A, Archive. Option B, Auth. Option C, Cool. The correct answer is option A, Archive. Question number 5. What should you use to build Microsoft Power BI paginated report? Select the correct option. Option A, Power BI Desktop. Option B, Charticulator. Option C, Power BI Report Builder. Option D, the Power BI Service. The correct answer is option C, Power BI Report Builder. Just a quick reminder, if you don't want to watch all these videos and instead download all questions and answers, then feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 6. By default, what is protected by each Azure SQL database? Select the correct option. Option A, a server label Firewall. Option B, Azure Firewall. Option C, NSG, Network Security Group. The correct answer is option A, a server-level firewall. Question number 7. Which of the following tools can be used in Mac OS to access data stored in Azure SQL database? Select the correct option. Option A, SQL Server Data Tools. Option B, SQL Server Management Studio. Option C, Azure Storage Explorer. Option D, Azure Data Studio. The correct answer is option D, Azure Data Studio. Question number 8. You have an application that runs on Windows and requires access to a mapped drive. Which Azure service should you use? Option A, Azure Files. Option B, Azure Table Storage. Option C, Azure Cosmos DB. Option D, Azure Blob Storage. The correct answer is option A, Azure Files. Question number 9. Which type of database workload is the day-to-day operation of your business? Select the correct option. Option A, Data Warehouse. Option B, OLTP. Option C, OLAP. The correct answer is option B, OLTP. Question number 10. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is Azure SQL Database includes a fully managed backup service. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is Azure SQL Database has built-in high availability. The correct answer is yes. The third statement is Azure SQL Database uses Azure Advanced Threat Protection. The correct answer is yes.